up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am JaylahMarshae. If you're new here, hey girl, what is up? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Happy 2020, happy new year. Obviously like New Year's last week, but still happy 2020. Happy, like, achieving our goals, happy just making this year our year, and making 2020 your year. I'm definitely making 2020 my year. I am really excited about this year, and that's why I really wanted to make this video. This video is going to be called just how to make 2020 your year. Whether it's career, business, whether it's personal life, whether it's whatever you want to achieve, we're achieving that this year. It is a new decade, it is a new year. Everything is just going to be new. Like, everything is going to be new, and I'm excited to just show you guys and tell you guys how to make this your year. And I've done videos about law of attraction, but I don't think I got too in depth with it a little bit. And this video, I just really wanted to talk to you guys and just tell you how to make that your year. I was going to do a fashion video, but I have some stuff that's coming in today, and I kind of wanted to use that in the video, so that video might be up. I think that video will be up on Wednesday. So today we're just going to talk about how to make 2020 your year, our year, my year, whatever. This year is literally this is just how we're gonna be our year. We're gonna get into the video, but if you want to watch this video, like, comment, subscribe to this channel, continue watching this video. Follow me on my social medias, which is at _JaylahMarshae on Twitter and JaylahMarshae on Instagram. And yeah, I'm just really excited for the new year. And if you guys want to know about it and let's just talk about it, let's get started with the video. Okay, so 2020, using law of attraction to make this our year. I feel like I say this all the time. I really am excited about the new year, and I'm excited about this as a new decade. And I just realized this is going to be a decade where we might have kids, or I might have kids. I'm not gonna talk about that right now, but this year we have to really grind it, guys. Like, this year we're manifesting a lot of things this year. So if you guys don't know what law of attraction is an ability to manifest anything that you want in your life, whether it's a new car, it's a new place, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a friendship with somebody, or whether it's, personal life. Whatever you want, you have to believe that you can have that, and you have to tell that to the universe, put it out there in the universe, like put it in the atmosphere, put it out there, and the universe will hear you. And if you just work on that, you will get that. So, and for career-wise, like, for instance, I'm really gonna do YouTube. I really am going to do YouTube. I feel like the past year since I've been doing YouTube since I was 19, and I'm 23 now, and I wasn't consistent. I would always upload for maybe 2 months or a month, and I would leave for 6 months and come back whenever I felt like I wanted to again. And I had good views and my channel was growing, but there was a time where I felt like my channel wasn't growing at all. I felt like I was at 50 subscribers for not even a year, maybe for 6 months, and I was getting and I would just get discouraged, and I would never want to upload. But then that was the whole reason why my channel wasn't growing. I wasn't uploading. So instead of being inconsistent and uploading just whatever, I really am going to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I literally have to. I want to hit 100. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to hit 4,000 watch hours. And in order for me to do that, I have to be consistent. I have to upload a lot. I really do have to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And even if I don't have a video idea, that's when I can talk to you guys and let you guys. That's what I love about talking to you guys. You guys can give me ideas for this channel. You guys can give me video ideas, and I love like getting your I love getting your video suggestions, because I really get excited that you guys want to see those videos, and I love to film those and upload those for you guys, and just stuff like that. And so definitely I'm putting this out in the atmosphere. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and my goal is also to just grow this channel. And I don't want to do it just because, oh, I want to get like this, I want to do this. It's literally, I want to be able to inspire people on this channel. I have been open and talked about my cerebral palsy, and I just want you guys to get to know me a little bit more. I feel like it seemed like all I really do is talk about fashion, which is something I love. It's fashion and makeup and stuff like that. And but I do just want to, I want to be able to open up to you guys a little bit more, which is something I struggle with a lot. I do struggle with opening up to people, and that's something I do want to work on. So with that, so how I'm going to manifest that, I'm just going to upload. I'm just going to be consistent, and you guys can tell me off if you want to. If you feel like I'm slacking, just be like, no, you need to upload a video. Whether it's a 5-minute video, 10-minute, 15-minute video, doesn't matter. You need to upload a video. So I really want you guys to hold me accountable and say, listen, you need to upload today. I don't have a video idea. Give me a video idea and I will do it, and I promise I will have that uploaded. And another thing is, I really want to grow my Instagram as well. I literally only have 500 subscribers on there. 500 followers on there, and I want to grow it more. I want to, promote my fashion more. I want to promote, my makeup more. So in order for me to do that and to manifest that, I do have to obviously say it out to the atmosphere, but I need to do my makeup every day. I need to do my makeup every day. I need to, wear the clothes that I have in my closet instead of buying clothes. Because I tend to buy clothes and I won't wear it, and it'll be sitting on my hanger, and I'll literally say I don't have clothes to wear when I really do. But that's something I really want to work on. I really want to save money. I really want to save up money so I can buy a camera for this channel. Filming on my phone does get exhausting, and it does get tiring. So, and it gets annoying when I need to upload a video and my phone, my storage is literally too full, and that means I have to delete pictures that I don't want to delete, or I have to delete apps that I kind of pretty much need on my phone. So yeah, so it just gets tiring. And I actually bought me a bigger tripod, like, when I do like my lookbooks for this channel already. That's coming in today, so I'm excited. I'm actually gonna buy me a microphone. Like, it has a little bitty microphone that I could hook up to my shirt, and so you guys can have better audio. I know I feel like the audio is not bad, but I feel like it can definitely be better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy that, and yeah. So, and then that's basically career-wise. I would love to get noticed by Fashion Nova, because literally every single clothing that I have is from Fashion Nova. I have maybe some things from Boohoo, or I have some things from Forever 21, but it's literally Fashion Nova is my go-to, and that's all I buy, like, literally. So that's what I'm gonna do for pretty much career. Just grow my channel and grow on Instagram. And just promote my makeup more as well. With personal life, I want to meet new people. I want to, make new friends. And I also want to, I'm going to make, new friends. In order for me to do that, I have to get out there and talk to people and stop being shy. Whether it's making friends on the internet, or whether it's making friends out, like, in Charlotte. I do tend to get shy with talking to people, and I should, like, just be over it. Like, I'm so over the shy stage. Like, it gets annoying. So I'm going to overcome my shyness, and I'm going to literally genuinely talk to people, and I'm going to meet people and just, talk to them. That's like, and then just talk to them and maybe go on dates more. I don't really want to, I don't know if I want to actually get in a relationship this year. I can't say, I can't say never because I don't know what's going to happen this year. But I would love to, I am going to go on more dates and meet, like I said, meet people, whether it become friends or whether it's someone, or whether I meet somebody special. Who knows? I do want to start dating, but I'm not in a rush to get into a relationship. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say. Like, I'm not in a rush to get into a relationship. So, yeah. So, that's kind of ties into meeting new people. So, whatever. Let's see. New Year. Let's see. Health. I'm going to get into my fitness again. I feel like towards around December last month, I felt like I didn't really like the way my body looked. I've always been really thin, and I always want to gain, and I always have wanted to gain weight. And I think I did it a couple summers ago with drinking Ensure, which is like a protein shake, and I would eat with that. And then it just started to, I just started to not really. And then I just started to not really I don't know, I started to get tired of drinking it every day, so I stopped drinking it, and then I felt like I started to lose my weight a little bit. And I just, just want to be thick. No, I'm kidding. And I just want to be healthier. It's not because I'm comparing myself. I want a big butt, I want to do that. It's literally, I do want to be healthier, and it is kind of bad that I get out of breath just by walking up the steps. So yeah, it's pretty bad that you can get winded just from walking up and down the steps. So yeah, I'm working on that. I'm definitely gonna work on taking care of myself and working out. I'm going to take care of my skin a little bit more. I don't have bad skin. My skin is actually pretty good, but it could be better. I don't want to say I want to grow up my hair. I don't really want to grow out my hair, but I want my hair to be healthier. I feel like right now I've been taking a break from straightening my hair because I started to get heat damage, and it just wasn't looking good because I had natural curly hair. But whenever I want to wear my hair natural, it will literally be curly up here and it would be straight at the bottom, and I just didn't like the way it looked. So I have been taking a little break from straightening my hair. I'll probably straighten it this week or next week. I was going to try to do the whole month of January, but I don't know if it's going to last that long, but I think I can do it. I also want to color my hair, as I literally just said I want a healthy hair. But I do want a different color. I'm thinking about it now. I do want a different color. I want to, or get a balayage or something. I want a pretty brown, or pretty a blonde, a brown, not bright blonde, but a summer brown, summer. I want to do it around summer, so I'll do a caramel brown, so it can be lighter. I've been looking at inspirations on Pinterest, and I've also been looking at hairstylists in Charlotte. If you could live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and you know anybody that does hair or have any recommendation to a hairstylist, let me know, because I would love to know. I've been looking for a hairstylist, so if you live in Charlotte, let me know who you like at the hairstylist, or just let me know. Because I would love to check them out and see what they can do, if they do color and maybe a cut. Because I just want new things this summer. I also want to face my fears of getting a tattoo. I want maybe 3 or 4 tattoos, but I want them all to be small, and I want them to be maybe on my finger or on my wrist or something. I think that's really cute. I also want I think I want a second piercing, but I don't know on which ear though. I really do want a second ear piercing. And yeah, pretty much I just want to love myself more this year. I genuinely want to make myself happy. So in order to do that, I have to live for me and not live for anybody else. I have to do what Jaylah wants to do. I feel like I've always done what everybody else wanted me to do, and I just feel like, you know, it's just time to make myself happier. It's time to make me happy. It's time to just do whatever, you know, it's maybe, you know, it's just time to make myself happy. Honestly, I want to be on my phone a little bit less. I want to start reading a little bit more again. I want to start writing again. Not like writing stories or anything, but just writing in my journal. And that's exactly what I want to do. So pretty much what this video is about is manifesting, but also just doing what you want to do, manifesting what you want in your life. And that's what I really want to, you know, that's what I want to promote on this channel. It's just to promote like positivity and doing what you want to do, and knowing that you can manifest whatever you want in your life. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to say on this video, on this channel. Be on the lookout for more videos. Definitely this year, a lot of videos this year. If you guys have any video suggestions that you guys would love for me to talk about, like if you guys have any topics that you guys would love for me to talk about, I would love to do like girl chat again type videos. And so let me know what type of videos you guys would want me to talk about on that and also let me know what other type of videos you guys would like for me to do, whether it's fashion videos, whether it's makeup video, whether it's anything. Let me know what you guys would love for me to do, because I would love to do them. And yeah, let's make 2020 a good year. Let's make 2020 our year. Let's, you know, achieve our goals this year. There's actually going to be some workout routines videos that I'm going to be uploading. So yeah, I love you guys, and we're in this together. We're in this together, and I love you, and we got this. 2020 is a new year, new decade. Let's make this our year. Let me know in the comment section below what your goal is and what videos you guys would love to see from me. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.
Deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it.